Today the goal is to catch the first fish of the year. So far only a couple of blanks. I got a couple of carp rigs here. Preferably we catch some carp. If that fails, we're gonna drop to plan B and we're gonna try to catch anything on a small piece of worm. And if that fails, you're not gonna see this video. But first, let's go ship the reel to my first giveaway winner. This is how we're gonna get the carp today. Great value whole kernel corn, always. Some feeder mix, a little flat feeder, and a small carp hook. There's a little bit of current here, so it's good to have a feeder that has a flat side, so when it falls on the bottom it doesn't keep rolling. So this one should do the trick just fine. So let's just set it up and cast it out there. Then put a little bit of great value corn on it. Man, this smells good. Get a few kernel. They had the regular whole kernel corn, but who wants a regular when you have great value? Okay, I put 3. Yeah, yeah, buddy. Yeah. Feels like a catfish. Carp always go left or right. This guy doesn't go anywhere. Yeah.
That's a big one. You know how? Oh my!
Let's see what we got here.
For nights, huh? What you use to catch him?
Corn.
Oh, okay.
I'm fishing for carp, not catfish.
He's recording us.
I am.
Oh.
You're gonna be famous.
Are you gonna catch a lot of fish?
I really wish I knew. Open your mouth. Say ah.
Stingers aren't that big either. Usually catfish stingers. Is you hurting him?
No, there's no blood in the mouth.
Hard-headed.
Open your mouth. Open your mouth. Yeah, I'm gonna let you go, man. There we go.
That's why I used to tell my daddy, you just hurt the fish and throw him back. Look at him.
That's little channel catfish.
Did you know people can eat that?
Yeah. Nah, we don't wanna kill this poor guy. We're gonna do a.
What do you do with carp?
I release everything.
Oh, okay.
I don't think a lot of fish in Illinois is good to eat.
Right. Yeah. Especially not
There you go,
out
buddy.
this river.
Ouch! Let's see if we can catch another one. Man, my hands are dirty.
Where did that fish go?
I threw him back.
He's in the water swimming?
Yeah, he's swimming, eating, watching TV. Yeah.
There's a TV in the water?
Oh yeah. They have cable, they have clubs, they have everything.